It's time to decode the logarithm of 2 to the base 8 without any use of calculators. So we are going to give a possible or the exact value of this logarithm. And we are going to treat the given, the entire result, as a representative variable x. And with that, we are going to, or we can use now the transformation of the logarithm into an equivalent exponential equation, or the logarithmic equation into an equivalent exponential equation, stating like this. If we have the logarithm of any number, let's say a, to the base b, and if it's equated to another variable here, let's say x, it's equivalent and vice versa to an exponential equation where we take the base of the logarithm as the base of the exponentiation. The result is your exponent, and the coefficient a is your result here. This is the transformation of the logarithmic equation to an equivalent exponential equation here. So with that, we can write our entire given, the logarithm of 2 to the base 8 is equal to x. And with that, we can come up with this equivalent exponential equation. 8 to the power of x is equal to 2. So now we are going to concern ourselves in solving an equivalent exponential equation. If we're going to solve for this, we cannot take the x root of both sides because the value of our unknown is an exponent. And therefore, we are going to use here the property of equivalent exponents. The property of equivalent exponents tells us this. If we have an exponentiation, let's say x to the power of m, and it's equal to another exponentiation of the same base, x to the power of n, with the same basis, according to the property of equivalent exponents, we can say that the exponents now are actually just equal to one another. In short, for this given here, we are going to treat our base here. If we could convert it to the base 2, and let's do that. And we can do that actually. 8 can be represented as 2 cubed. And please do not forget here this, okay, this expression. We have 2 cubed to the power rather of x is equal to 2. Now looking at this here, we are going to use here the power law of exponents, or power of a power, where we are just going to multiply the exponents. So in short, this is 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 2. Now that we have the same basis, we can now use the property of equivalent exponents, and it will return to this result. Of course, we know that this has an exponent of 1. We could have this linear expression or equation, 3x is equal to 1. And with that, the result of x is equal to 1/3 or 1 over 3. This is the entire result of our unknown. In short, the logarithm of 2 to the base 8 is equal to 1/3. And this is discussion for that answer. We have just decoded the unknown. And that's mission accomplished.